All right, guys. Good day and welcome to class. Today we're given a question from Jamb 1978, and this question is some algebraic expression where we are asked to multiply bracket open x plus 3y plus 5y by bracket open 2x squared plus 5y plus 2 bracket close. Now, this algebraic process is also known as expansion, which also means removal of brackets or barriers. To solve a question like this, the first thing we do, we write solution. Write solution. Then we proceed to multiply the algebraic expression on our right hand side by that on the left hand side. However, before we do that, we will just quickly write our equations down again. So our bracket open, x plus 3y plus 5 bracket close, bracket open, 2x squared plus 5y plus 2 bracket close. Now we have x bracket open, 2x squared plus 5y plus 2 bracket close plus 3y bracket open, 2x squared plus 5y plus 2 bracket close plus 5 bracket open, 2x squared plus 5y plus 2 bracket close. Now we go further to open our bracket, and we have x times 2x squared. This will give us 2x cubed. And we have an x times plus 5y. This will give us plus 5xy. We have x times plus 2. This will give us plus 2x. Proceeding further, we have a plus 3y times 2x squared. This will give us plus 6x squared y. 3y times plus 5y. This will give us plus 15y squared. Now plus 3y times plus 2. This would give us plus 6y. Now we have plus 5 times 2x squared. This will give us plus 10x squared plus 5 times plus 5y. This will give us plus 25y plus 5 times plus 2. This will give us plus 10. Now, having done this, we proceed to collect our like terms. However, to make our job much easier, we can just quickly mark out the like terms we have in the equation so that it will be easy for us to collect like terms. We have 6y and 25y as like terms. So to continue our solving, we just quickly write collect like terms. Collect like terms. Now we'll proceed further by arranging our equation. Now we have 2x cubed plus 5xy plus 2x plus 6x squared y plus 15y squared plus we have 6y plus 25y will give us 31y. So So we have plus 31y plus 10x squared plus 10 as our final answer. Thank you. Please like our video, subscribe and share. Thank you.